Patron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. This is your first time here. I'm the big fella Scruff. And what I'm trying to do is put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. Well, this video is really just me backing up something I said in the morning call earlier on. If you don't know what the morning call is, or morning watch rather, it's where I tell the news what the strongest and weakest currency is, and then also tell you what I'm pretty much going to be trading today. Now, this is done public before I go to market, and I'm now just in market. So let's flick this over so you can see it. If I pull this down, there it is there. It was released at 8:22. Now, we were actually discussing these yesterday, and I made a couple of predictions about this, where I said the DAX would gap up. Well, it did. And again, I also said that JP would drop down, and it did. So we do have a good time in this little Discord community. And also across the weekend, we were discussing oil. And because the markets are a little bit hard to weigh up at the moment, this is my trade of choice. Where it's come from is very simple. Strong drive down, we filled the gap, came down, and now it's pushing its way up. Now, the next point of reaction that I'm looking for is the top of this channel. Now, we do have a channel in here. If I just kind of make one for you, let's get a trend line. Nope, actually, I'll put a channel on for you. I don't use these a great deal, guys. But there is your channel. So if I just change the color of that so we can kind of see it. There you go. Put it in a nice blue. We're at the base of the channel. Boom, 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 boom. Also intersection of a key level, which is here. And the idea is with the news that's about as well at the moment, squeeze on supply, that sort of thing, it can push oil prices up. So my next point that I'm interested in is this red line, which is where it's working to, and then if it breaks through the black dotted line. Now these are key areas of attraction that are pre-marked, and then I just work from one level to the next. It's that simple, guys. So what I'll do is I'll leave this running, we'll play it out, and there we are. Well, I get rid of that, I suppose. So it looks nice and clean. So we'll play this out, and then I'll come back and I'll give you a few thoughts. Okay guys, that one's gone to target. Quite happy with that. I've actually got a second position in to go again later on today. I'm just going to leave it on a set and forget, which is here, brushing the tops of this level, and away it goes. So that's it. We are just got that one running, which pick up later on today, if at all. And then there you go. 160 quid. It's currently 9:30, so about 40 minutes. I can live with that. I'm quite happy with that. So what's the moral of the story here, guys? Well, Very simple. You get in, you get out, you get paid. And then don't be greedy. Just take what the market's willing to give and be happy. And then do it again tomorrow. And then the day after, do it again. So forth and so forth. Just if I flick this back over, also been doing the morning star this morning, and I've done the same process. Just pull this down. This is BlackBull Markets, by the way, if you want to follow this. Again, the account's now at 185.39. This morning's morning star has pulled out 192, so it's ahead of the game. It's more than we were after, because if I just pull up something, I'll be able to show you. Because I'll put that in. That's what we're looking for each day. £1.15. And the idea of this, if you haven't seen it, is it's a small account that we're building up over a period of time between 1st of October and Christmas. And the idea is to make enough that we can pay for Christmas dinner. Well, we've made £36 this month from a starting balance of 150, which is a 24% growth. And we've got an 89% hit rate. So it's not bad. It's a good little way of working forward. And there's the breakdown, and up it goes. So what's the moral with this one? Well, this one, it's a one-hit wonder. You look for the best setup, and it goes from a trigger start at 8 o'clock, a trigger start at 9 o'clock, depending on the market. If you're paid by 9, that's it, you're done. If you're not paid and you haven't seen a setup, you get another bite of the cherry, and then you do it again, but you do it once and then walk, and that'll compound up and grow nicely. And that's how I built up the small account for what you see in Vanguard. Now that's paying into that quite well. And again, it's the same principle. Take what the market's willing to give and walk rather than gamble. Hope that kind of helps. Anyway, this video is just an update one. It's just really to back up what I show you on the morning call, and we'll take it from there. But if you like this sort of thing, do subscribe to the channel, like it, share to your friends, all of that. All my contact details are in the comments. And what else we're doing at this moment in time is indicator videos, where I'm working my way through indicators and I'm showing you how they work and how we can use them in real time, not hypothetical, because everything I do is in the moment. So that's good. Fantastic. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.